Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. And today we're gonna continue our process of promoting the $25 online business using my lead gen secrets. Alright. So as you know, with $25 online business, what you make around, you get 80% monthly commissions, like every payment. So, and there's two products in the system, which usually ends up with it ends up with $120 per person most times, because it just, the offer goes well together. Like, it's, you kind of want both products if you're gonna start this and start making money. All right, so that's all you need to know there. Oh, you also only need 2 sales to be in profit, which I have right now, so that's why I'm continuing with this. All right, so let's go here and we go into my lead gen secrets here, mailing system, select all. This time we're gonna use just a randomly generated email. So we're gonna go to emails here. We're gonna go to infinite email swipes. Look how easy it is to get an email, guys. I could just use this. Boom. I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Paste that text in there. That's it. We'll just keep it like that. Boom. That's done. Let's go and get the link. When you get the link when you sign in, guys, you'll get this page here with all your links, your affiliate links. You sign in, you do all the stuff to sign in, you'll start getting your affiliate links then once you sign in. And the link I'm promoting now is this one here, which would be this page here. Alright, this page looks amazing. But we're gonna I personally decided that I don't like how crazy this looks. It's crazy long, so I'm gonna just go with a link that I created myself. I just made a link myself. Just called it this income speech sales. So we're just gonna go with that. All right, so get it in here. We'll just use this link here. Boom, boom. Gonna keep it super simple, and that's all we're gonna do, guys, today. I'm just gonna send a super simple email, see what happens. All right, send an email. All right, so all right, the email's been sent. All right, so what you're gonna do for the next 2 is just copy paste. Oh, you want to log out of this account when you make a new tab. Make a new tab before you log out so you can copy paste. All right, I'm sorry, I just woke up, so I'm always just waking up when I do these, because it's the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning, guys. Just do this here. See if I can, make money with it. All right, so boom. There we go. We're done with that. We're finna do the same thing once again. All right. I'm a little late today. It's right on 5 o'clock today. I usually do it a little bit earlier today, but I just was tired, guys. Whew, I was tired. I'm a little bit sick as well. I just y'all don't want to hear about that. Never mind. I'm just giving y'all my daily. I was just feeling tired today, man. All right, so we gonna go in like this. Boom. And we're just gonna copy this simple email. Look. That right there. I'm gonna paste it right there. We are done, guys. That's it. All it takes. Oh, make sure to hit perfect time. Perfect time it does is send an email around the time that people check their emails. So, have a better chance of them opening them. All right, so there you go, man. I sent the link and everything. Looks pretty good. I guess that's about it, guys. But yeah, as I state, man, all the time, man, this is the best system I ever found. It's you make $120 per month. Once you get 2 people into the system, you're making money. You just need 2 people. I got 2 people in the system right now. I had 3, but somebody got a refund. I'll make sure I tell you guys when I get refunds. A lot of people ain't gonna do that now. I'm gonna tell you that now. They get refunds, they're not gonna do it. I even contemplated, should I tell you guys that somebody refunded. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all the truth, you know. I was like, oh man, they probably gonna think it's you know, they're probably gonna be downtrodden for seeing me get a refund. But I'm just giving you guys, I'm gonna give y'all guys the truth. If I get a refund, I'm gonna tell y'all, let y'all know. Cause it's a case study. It's not like I'm super duper want you guys to jump in this system. It's just more of a case of me trying to see if I can make a ton of money with this system. So honestly, it's more about me than you guys. I'm testing it myself over you guys. I just like making videos about it. So yeah, man. So give this a shot, man. If you got a way to promote it, I'm using my lead gen secrets, but they teach you a bunch of ways to promote this offer in the system. I just ain't using any of them. I'm focusing on my lead gen secrets here just to see if my lead gen secrets can get these sales. Whew. All right, guys, that's about it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.